Hi guys, it is me back here again, Xiomara or Cici, and we're doing another slime test, but this one is between these two that are almost completely empty, which is the VO5. This is the strawberries and cream. I really like this one, and I really prefer it. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but anyways. And this one, the L'Oreal Paris. So we're gonna see which one is better. So here I have a plate, or I like to call it like we call this saucepans because it has like it's deep in, and plates are supposed to be flat. But anyways, or a dessert plate. Anyways, I'm gonna put that in the middle. Anyways, the first one we're going to do is we're actually going to use like half of the plate for one. This side is going to be this one, so we're going to do this one first. Alright, I'm going to be using, my mixer is going to be like the end of a marker. I think it's worn out. Yeah, worn out marker. So now that I put that in there, I'm going to put, depending on the size, is how much salt you're going to put. So I'm only going to put a little bit, and now I'm mixing it up, and we'll see. So if you guys look, it's kind of thickening, but kind of isn't. It's thickening, but it's still sticking to my hand. When I touch it, it's still sticking to my hand. But we'll see what happens with the next one. So now we're going to be doing the VI5 strawberries and cream, VO5 strawberries and cream. So let's put this into there. Now before that, I'm going to tap it. Guys, like nothing is coming up in my hands, like even before I even put in the salt. But anyways, now I'm going to wipe this off my shirt. And I'm going to put in some salt. And a little bit more salt. And I'm going to mix that in as completely as I can. Guys, see that?
Y'all turn off all those lights over there.
Okay. Good night.
Set the alarm.
Alright. Guys, now I want you guys to tell me this one, which still pops up on my finger, see? Still pops up on my finger, or this one, the VO5. Nothing. It's like, I love the VO5 one. New favorite shampoo, Sarzens Plex. It is too late to be making videos, but it's never too late. I think the reason I don't get so many views on my videos is because, like, most of the slime videos I watch are from like 2 years ago, so maybe that's why. Maybe it's because not a lot of people are still into slime. Like, if I go across the street, I could get like 5 things of slime for like $5. $5 no. $5 and 30 cents. I don't know why I counted. So when I get some money, I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to go to the store and buy some things of slime. And I'm going to share with you guys. So yeah. Probably the next time I get paid. So gonna try to save this one actually, guys. Like it's formed. It's like formed, but it's just like, yeah. That's not how you play with slime. I mean, I wouldn't. If that was me, I would not play with that slime. I would definitely play with this one here. Shout out to my subscribers. You're the boss. Alright guys, so in my next video I'll probably be trying the same thing but with this conditioner, and that video is actually going to be tonight too, so bless me. Well, okay guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you don't do anything. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.